What's up, all my SGMers out there? This video is about future points. I'm gonna do a cash out payment proof. I'm gonna cash out on this phone real quick because I decided to use my iPad. If you can see right here, started using my iPad. So I'm just gonna do a small cash out payment to show y'all proof that this app pays out. So let me get to it. Rewards. Let me hit rewards. See, with the rewards, you could get almost anything. You could get the Amazon, you could get Google Play, iTunes, Pokemon, PlayStation, Starbucks, Xbox. You get a whole bunch of stuff. But Best Buy, Target. But I'm into cash. I like PayPal cash, so I'm gonna go to PayPal. So since I could get $3. And I could get up to $5 because I got 3,000 and some change coins. So I'm gonna press get reward. It says ready to buy. You'll have 39 points left after claiming this reward. Confirm purchase. The reward request is pending. You'll receive an email once it's ready. Alright, close. So let's see those points go down. Should go down any second, any minute. Refresh it. Refresh it. The PayPal $5 is pending. Hold on, let me press refresh and close it. Let me put the phone down so I can do a little bit better. Refresh. Hold on, sorry. Refresh. Redeem points for awesome rewards. Where the hell did you go? I'm trying to show you that the points gonna go down. This thing is giving me a hard time though. What the hell is wrong with this thing? I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna close it and reopen it. For some reason it's malfunctioning. Live on cam. Things happen though. Let me get back to the future points. Alright, it should be opening now. See how the points is going down? So now I got 39 points, but I'm not going to be using this account no more. So like I said, I'm going to be using the iPad. I'm going to be using the iPad now because they give way more apps you can download. So yeah, that's what I'm using. So I'm just going to wait for that payment, that email, and then I'm going to show you all the payment proof that's in my PayPal, and then I'm going to show you the email, and we should go from there. Yeah, so I'm back. You go to payment proof right here. As you can see, Tap Gem, Corps via PayPal, future points. Let me click that. Alright, they go to $5 payment from Tap Gem Corp. They send the payment to me. You go to the transaction ID. As you can see. So let me go out, go to future points so I can go back and show you when I cashed out that payment. Like I said, you see it still says 39 there. Not using this account no more. I'm using my iPad from now on. See right there. Boom. Purchased $5 Sunday payment. I got paid on Monday, but I was busy doing some other stuff, so I couldn't even do the video. So now let's go to my PayPal. Let's go to PayPal right here. Hold on, it's asking me for my thumb. Alright. Let's log into the PayPal. Let's go to see activity. Where's the activity at? There we go, see activity. Couldn't see what holding the camera. It'll go right there. See, January 23rd, even though today is the 25th, 26th, whatnot. Let me see what today is. Today is the 25th. Today is 25th, but like I said, I was so busy doing other stuff, you know, other videos and you know, surveys or whatever I do. You can check that out on my page. That I didn't even get the chance to even see the email that I was paid. But even though it's a small amount, no matter if it's big amount, small amount, the point is that the company pays out. You know, it's a free app. You ain't got nothing to lose. So it's like all you gotta do is keep grinding, sharing that link, And like I said, you gotta start from somewhere and work your way up. But I was just doing this. I'm doing this for more than one phone, so I'm just doing this to show that some people give up. Oh, it takes too long. I'm just showing y'all that they pay out. You know what I mean? I could have kept it going, but I cashed out a few times. But like I said, I was like, you know what? Let me just cash out, show y'all that they do pay out. Now the next one gonna be a bigger payout, of course. Like I said, this is just a payment proof video, nothing more, nothing less. Like I said, if a company's not gonna pay you, they're not gonna pay you anything at the end of the day. So, like I said, my link is gonna be in the description. Click the link. Put it if you're new to it. Put in the code so you can get the free 50 points to start. And subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna have more on the way.